Well, hello, welcome to the live stream. Bit of a random one today, I must admit, but I hope it's going well, and I hope you all can hear me well. So, without further ado, let's get straight to it. Currently setting up right now, so please bear with me. As I say, I'm not 100% sure how it's going to go tonight, but let's see. Please let me know in the live stream chat that you're here, watching, and supporting. It's really great to know who's here watching and supporting me as future investments. So we're looking pretty clear on the camera. Please let me know how the audio sounds, everyone, if it's coming through okay. And yeah, we're going to be having some fun tonight, talking everything from gold, money, investments, and everything else in between. 4 people in the live chat. Awesome to see. Please chuck a message in the live stream chat. Let me know what the audio quality is like. Let me know how it's sounding. And yeah, I look forward to having a really fun live stream tonight. 5 people here in a live chat. 2 likes already. One of them is mine. And yeah, can't wait to see everyone on this Friday night and talk everything from gold, money, investments, and more. Very exciting. 7 people in the live chat. Thank you very much for joining. It's great to have you guys here. And yeah, I haven't really promoted this at all, I must be honest. I've just winged this live stream tonight. Normally I'm filming an episode every sort of Friday, and yeah, I really enjoy doing that, but I feel like I needed to connect with you guys, talk live chat with you, reply to your comments, any questions. I wanted to get more in touch with my viewer base. So instead of filming, editing, and spending lots of hours managing content, I wanted to communicate with you guys, have a chat with you, have some fun on this Friday night, answer any questions you've got, answer some questions I might have for any of you, because I think that's really fun. And yeah, let's just get straight to it. So I'm just adding the links and everything in the description of this live stream, so please bear with me if I'm not currently reading any comments. I will be going back to them in a very brief moment. I hope none of the other content creators were planning on live streaming tonight, but yeah, let me know if anyone was going live. I don't want to step on anyone's toes. It is Friday after all, and I'm sure someone had some plans to do something, but I'm very bad at keeping track with some of the content that goes on in YouTube, because to be honest with you, I'm so busy creating content myself that it's a full-time job amongst my very first full-time job. 365 Days of Silver, our channel moderator, has left the very first comment saying, I've just promoted your live stream. I can always count on you, 365 Days of Silver. That's why I always will consider you my teammate. Thank you very much for supporting. It's great to have you here. How are you feeling? Are you feeling better? Are you feeling a little bit more back to normal? Because I know you had a flu and you was feeling a bit rough. So yeah, definitely let me know how you're feeling, mate. I'll be very pleased to hear. Right, there we go. Looks like that is updated. All right, if you do want to share the live stream, guys, I'd really appreciate it. As I say, this is a very random live stream. I didn't promote it beforehand, and I've just kind of jumped on. So 19 people in the live chat. Oh my God, I'm not sure how I can manage this. This is an unplanned live stream, and I have not prepared for this. But don't worry, I've got lots of gold and silver lying around, lots of gold backs, lots of interesting facts that I can definitely keep you occupied with. 25 people, blimey, that's crazy. Thank you so much for sharing, 365, really appreciate it. Like number 4, he said, what a legend. 365, are you uploading a video today? Let me know. If you are, I'll shout it out. I'd love to promote it. You always create very interesting content. If there's all the people in here right now, some of you probably are subscribed to 365, some of you may not. But yeah, let me know if you're filming a video and uploading it tonight, and I'll definitely shout that out for you because I love your content. And we've got more comments piling in now. Silver Sin said, "Ooh, let's go." 365 said 27 people in the live. Crazy. This wasn't even organised. This was just off the beat. So yeah, thanks for everyone tuning in. Silver Sins, great to see you, mate. Thanks for leaving a comment. Rule Britannia, someone who's been commenting on the channel a very long time. He said, hi, mate. Hope you're well. What's your opinion on the iShares, etc., i.e. physical gold, property and automation and robotics? Love all your content, buddy. You've taught me a lot. Thank you. That really means a lot. And I really appreciate that. So I have looked into the iShares, you know, the company. I was looking at getting more index funds, and iShares was some of those. I didn't in the end. Basically, I wanted to diversify my index portfolio and get more global funds. But when I looked into an iShares all-world fund, etc., it looked to be that even though it's an all-world fund, America, the North American economy, was 65% of the portfolio. So I was like, why would I want to invest in that when I've already got the S&P 500? I don't really understand how it's diversified when over half of the index fund is North American. But anyway, going back to your question, physical gold, property, automation, robotics. I want to get more into robotics and the engineering side of investments. There's definitely a lot of push for, you know, auto robotics in the world we live in, and I think that's a good investment. But currently I'm not invested in particularly much technology apart from the S&P 500. 365 said, still rough, mate, but a load better than yesterday. Thanks, mate. That's great. Great that you're feeling better. I look forward to seeing some of your content. Maurice O'Ray, the second. Of course we're subscribed to 365. I mean, who isn't? He's got over 8,000 subscribers. He's one of the biggest UK, probably, you know, second up there behind Backyard Bullion. So, yeah, fair to say, who isn't subscribed to 365? He's leading the way in the community for sure. Silver Sins, hi guys, Future and 365. 365 said, just uploaded. Paid members can watch now. We'll be live for all at 6 o'clock. Brilliant. Thanks for putting that in the chat. If you are excited to see 365's video, it will be live at 6 p.m. BST, British Standard Time today. So that's about 35 minutes. So definitely worth checking it out. You can even leave the live stream, come back and watch me after you've checked out his video. Rory Saylor said, do you buy digital gold as well? Great question. No, I don't. Simple answer is, when I invest in gold and silver bullion, I like the benefits of having it tangible. I like the fact that it's untrackable, untraceable. I can hold something pretty and wonderful, and I have full control over my investment. But that's not to say people don't make money on trading gold. There's a lot of people that trade Forex and money and gold, and they make a good living off of it, but it's a very skilled and stressful job, day trading and long-term trading. 30 in the live chat, unbelievable. Thanks for the putting that in the chat. Smash the like button, please. 365 said, really appreciate that. If you do, it really helps get the content out to the people that want to see it. Sometimes YouTube doesn't recommend the content, so any like, you know, it doesn't cost you anything, just a click of a button. It would mean the world to me. Hours and hours going to content creating, and yeah, to see lots of likes on a video, it means a lot. Maurice said, Silver Sins now has 159 subscribers. Love that. I love the community tonight, sharing everyone's channels and pushing everyone's channels out there. This is what it's about. If you've got a YouTube channel, you're starting up, let me know in the comment section and I'll shout it out for you. Let me know what it's about. It doesn't have to be about precious metals or investing. I'd love to know. Rule Britannia, thanks for your thoughts, mate. No problem. Rory Saylor, what about Bitcoin? Good question. I knew that would come up tonight. Now, that's a topic I need to have a drink before I get into. No, it's not a whiskey. I'm not really a drinker. Don't mind a cider, but too tight to be buying alcohol on a regular basis. Listen, Bitcoin for me is a very, very speculative investment. I want to buy some this year. I would like to invest, let's say, around £1,000 British sterling and leave it on a set and forget strategy. The reason for that is I know absolutely nothing really about Bitcoin. I know it's a cryptocurrency. I know that there's a halving this year, potentially increasing the value. I know that some places around the world you can use it to buy things. I know it's pretty untaxable and traceable. So there is some benefits to it. But having said that, I still don't know much about it. So for me, I don't want to miss out on the hype of Bitcoin, and I don't want to lose a lot of money. So for me, I want to invest maybe around 1,000 British sterling pound into a single Bitcoin. And I would like to put that on a set and forget strategy. I would like to invest that, hold it, and forget about it. Have it in my investment portfolio on the back burner. And the reason I say that is because I would much rather invest £1,000 and potentially 5x or times 10x my money than actually not invest and miss out on that. In my opinion, I can afford to lose £1,000 as a set and forget risky investment. And I would very much kick myself in 5, 10, 15, maybe even 20 years. You know, Bitcoin's at £1 million a coin and I could have invested £1,000. So this year I am looking to do that, but currently I've got a lot of expenses coming up. So here and there, I'm not sure when it's going to be, but ideally, yes, I will be investing in Bitcoin. Julian, received my first 5 gram gold bar today. Fantastic, Julian. What brand was your 5 gram gold bar? Where did you purchase from? I absolutely love 5 gram gold bars. Our channel moderator and first channel member is in the live chat, the Stat Collector. Welcome, mate. Very, very pleased to see you here. Very soon, you'll be getting your 1-year channel membership badge. That's how long you've nearly been a member. I can't wait to see that 1-year member icon next to your name. It's going to look amazing. Thank you so much for your support. He said, hello, everybody. Rory Sailor. Yes, I do have Twitter and I post on it every day. You can follow me on Twitter. The @ name is Future Investments YT, short for YouTube. Future Invest YT. The link for my my Twitter is in the description of this video, followed by my TikTok and Instagram. I post on them daily and you can get exclusive content on there. So yeah, definitely check me out on Twitter. Send me a tweet and I'll retweet your tweets. 365 Days of Silver. Oh, that 6 looks nice. It does look nice, doesn't it? I can't wait for Stat Collector to get a 1-year icon next to his name. Thank you, 365. He does have Twitter, 365 says. Rory, that's a good idea for sure. The Stat Collector. Thank you, mate. I won't have it much longer. It'll be a 12 soon. Yep, can't wait. And it'll be great. It will actually go to a 1 year. So after 6 months, it will go 1 and then a Y next to it. So you'll have a 1-year logo next to your name. So yeah, awesome stuff. Interested to see what that 12 logo is. If you click my join button on my channel, you can see all of the icons you get. You get a new member for your first join. You get a 1, a 2, a 6 for your 1 month, 2nd month, and 6th month. And then it goes 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year for those really, really long-term channel members. Silver Sins, I'm definitely going to have to catch up later. House is mad at the moment. Have a great live future. Gutted I'm going to miss the live. Have a great one, chat, guys and girls. Silver Sins, thanks so much. You get back to your family, your house. Have a great Friday. And if I do see you in the chat later on, I'll be very happy. But if not, thank you for coming by. Rory Sailor, Future Invest YT, question mark. That's correct. That is my Twitter handle. Take care, Silver Sins, said 365. Rule Britannia. Fidelity Global shares is what I'm thinking of buying up and dropping some iShares. I'm a bit of a loss. I'm at a bit of a loss for what to dip into at the moment. I'm in for a good 20 years at least. Fantastic. Like me, long-term investor. My particular holding period is 25. Let's drop that down, 20 to 30 years. In between that bracket range to really make those big investments lucrative and then sell off and then retire early. Love the fact that you're looking into a global fund. Like I said, I was very much looking into getting a global index, but when I looked up Vanguard's all-world FTSE, I was very disappointed to see that the holding of it was around 65% North America, and then everything else was Japan, Norway, you know, everything else. And for me, that was just far too big of a holding for North America. When I want to invest in an all-world fund, I want it to be much more diversified. I don't want well over half of the portfolio to be in America. I'm already invested in the S&P 500, so why would I want to add that? If the American economy was to crash, hypothetically, then not only am I going to lose down on my S&P, but I'm going to lose on my supposed all-world fund. That's how I see it. Let me know if I'm wrong, but yeah, maybe I might decide to invest in the Dow Jones or a specific country like Japan, if that's possible. I'm not sure what index fund Japan has or China. Julian Caesar, you bought from Bullion by Post and Melator Bar. Very nice. Bullion by Post, have great products, lots of products. They are a little bit on the pricey side, but they've got a good reputation for getting the products out fast, and they do have a pretty diverse stock range. All right, Rory Saylor followed. Keep up the content. Keep the content coming, mate. Thank you, Rory. Love that you've gone over to follow me on Twitter. Not many people from YouTube do actually go over to my Twitter account, so thank you so much. And definitely send me a tweet. I can respond to your tweet. Rule Britannia. I'm in two minds if I should buy up a bit of Nvidia. My head says yes, but my heart says no. I'm just intrigued to see if it will hit 1,000 on the mark. Yeah, listen, I know a few of the other guys in this live chat have Nvidia. I don't personally. I probably should. I've heard a lot of big things about it. Same as the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq, really. I should invest in that. Oh, wow. The Stat Collector has just sent a super chat donation of £5. What an absolute legend. Thank you so much, the Stat Collector. That's very kind of you. Not only is he a channel member, but he's just donated a super chat of £5. Thank you so much. Your support is very, very hard to beat. You guys are smashing the comments now, so if I do miss a comment, I'm really sorry. It's not on purpose. Please forgive me or just repost the comment. I know we've got our channel moderators in here as well. If they see a comment I keep missing, please give me a little nudge and let me know. Thanks for following again, Rory. Really appreciate that. Rory said, Rule Britannia, have you seen the new FBTC and the IBIT ETFs? Kevin, welcome to the live stream, Kev. Is it better to invest in a proof coin or scrap coins or gold bars, silver bars? That's a very, very broad question. It depends what you're investing for. Are you investing because you want to collect precious metals? Are you investing because you want to invest your capital? It's difficult. Listen, for me, I can only answer what I would do. I'm not a fan of proof. I don't like the big fees you pay. I'd rather get generic weighted bullion like a 1/4 ounce gold Britannia and pay, you know, a pretty decent fee and get a good weight of bullion without paying the proof prices. Having said that, when I visited Bullion House in London next to the O2, they let me in their office. They let me have a look at lots of their fantastic coins. And it seems like most of their business was made from selling graded coins. And they were graded proof coins. So there is definitely big money in stacking proof coins and getting them graded for the future sale. But for me, I prefer generic weighted bullion. I don't touch any scrap coins or bullion. For me, I go straight new bullion or secondhand silver. Good question, though. What do you think about second-hand goals? Second-hand goals. What do you mean, stock 689? Give me a bit more information. I'm not sure what you mean by second-hand goals. Still absolutely love that super chat from the Stat Collector. Definitely go and check him out. His channel is in the description below. He's a channel member, so you can simply click on his link and it will take you to his channel. He is the king of numismatic knowledge. 365 said, is it too early for the earth is flat discussions? No, it's definitely not. I love the aliens. I love the Egyptian pyramids. Bring in the earth is flat topic. I don't really care. We can go on about it all night. Some of you may care though. Stat Collector said, yes, I did bring in the topic of the earth is flat. The most live Fox, love the name. I prefer bullion more than premium stuff. Here, same. I mean, I say that I've got a very premium piece right here. You guys will know it's bloody expensive, but you know, let's talk about 1/4 ounce gold Britannias. They're not exactly premium pieces. They're generic bullion, around £440 to £460, depending where you buy from. Oh, she's a bit marked up there. Might have to give her a little wipe. I shouldn't probably be handling this as much as I am. Recently, I've started handling my gold a lot more. Not really sure why. I've seen a lot of big YouTubers like 2is1. He clangs his gold bullion around and he doesn't seem to worry. So maybe I shouldn't. Stunning piece though, isn't it? Stunning piece. Look at the glow on the glare. How cool is that? Very cool. Yeah, I definitely prefer bullion, to be honest with you. Some people prefer the premium stuff, and don't get me wrong, I've got premium pieces. Like I said, this 1 kilogram silver Britannia behind me is a premium piece. I paid a whopping great price for that. And I've got some premium silver bars. You could say Una and Lion are premium bars now, because in fact they have a massive premium because they're desirable. So yeah, thanks whoever's smashing the love hearts in the chat. Appreciate it. Love that. I love to see that. Let's go down some of the comments. Rory, Rule Britannia, when you get a chance, have a look at Fidelity's FBTC or BlackRock. The Most Sly Fox. I love that name. The Most Sly Fox. Just remember, if metals shoot up, your slab coins will get melt value or less, just like everything else. Listen, like I said, Bullion House, they make a lot of their profits on selling proof graded coins. So there's definitely money in having proof premium bullion. But you're right to an extent. You know, gold is only ever worth the weight value. It doesn't really matter too much what the design is, or even the brand. At the end of the day, you know, if you're buying a 1 gram gold bar from the Royal Mint for £70, or you're buying a 1 gram gold bar from Tavex Bullion, they both fetch. They both are 4/9 fine 24 karat gold bullion. They don't weigh any more because it's from the Royal Mint, or any less because it's from Tavex Bullion. So I do understand what you're saying there, and I do have to agree with, you know, all gold weighs the same per weight and per value, you know. So yes, there's premiums because of desirability, and maybe some are capital gains tax exempt and some aren't. But at the end of the day, your yellow metal is worth what the yellow metal is worth in terms of weight value. But I don't think, you know, gold is ever going to get to the point where it's going to be melting down because there's a scarcity and all that. I think your pieces are always going to sell for what they're desired for. If you're enjoying the live stream, guys, give it a smash button. How many likes have we got so far? 12 likes. Not bad, not bad. Thank you very much for your support. Trying to keep up the comments. I invest in gold and silver because every working class person doesn't do it, and they are all skint. It's crazy how many people, Arthur, don't know about gold and silver, how it can literally preserve and protect your wealth. They really don't teach that in public schools, do they? I bang on about this all the time, but it's so true. In school, you are taught to become a saver, not an investor. You're also taught to become an employee, not an employer. And for public schools, that's just so true. Rule Britannia, in response, said to the other question, I will do, mate. I'll have a look at that at the end of the live. I just had a quick look. Didn't realise iShares do a Bitcoin ETF. Kevin Williams, thanks for your reply, mate. No problem. Thanks for your wonderful comment. Stack Collector, thank you, buddy. Stack Collector, here we go. He's poking the bear here. The earth is flat, but also round, just like the pizza I have in the oven right now. Why did I read that like a poem? Holy moly, Rory has just donated $20. Wow. I think that's got to be the biggest super chat I've ever had. We've been live 23 minutes and we've had £25 in super chats. One from the Stack Collector and a whopping $20 from Rory. Holy moly, Rory. Thank you so much. Wow. Absolutely amazing. That is incredible. That is incredible, Rory. Thank you so much. How generous is that, guys? £20. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Rory said, Rule Britannia, are you on Twitter? He's definitely looking for more precious metals and investors to connect with on Twitter. Thank you so much, Rory. You've blown my mind. Rule Britannia, I think I've got very comfortable at Moneybox, but their offerings are very limited, but I'm heavily invested on that platform. I've heard a lot about Moneybox recently. 365, the Stack Collector, snap, pizza for us tonight as well. Very nice. I had pizza for lunch and yesterday as well. So it seems like everyone's having pizza at the moment. 365 Days of Silver. Is there a stack chat tonight or is it tomorrow this week? Yeah, let us know because I don't want to impose on tomorrow. Brilliant. I'm glad I didn't impose on your stack chat. I did worry about that. When I started the live stream, I was talking about not imposing on anyone's live stream, and I was worrying that you might be live. So I'm glad it's tomorrow. If you haven't checked out the Stack Collector's stack chat, it's friggin' awesome. He gets content creators on all the time from all ranges of life, from America, New Zealand, Japan, Australia, wherever, England. It's unreal. And the Stack Collector is the best presenter on YouTube. The way he is able to ask questions and listens and also reply to the live chat is brilliant. It's got to be one of the best live streams out there. Okay, Just Gold. Hello, Future 365 and the Stack Collector and everyone else. Welcome, Just Gold. Go and check him out. He's got a great YouTube channel. The Stack Collector, Tomorrow 365. The Most Life Fox. Even universities teach that mentality now. Yeah, crazy. Mrs. Coin Crew. I've never seen you here before. Hello, welcome to the live stream. My name's Future Investments. I love precious metals, index funds, and rental buy-to-let properties, and investing in general. And I love the community. Rory Sale has just done a super chat of $20. Thank you so much, Rory. I'll definitely be connecting with you on Twitter. Silver Boy Blues. I'm a new stacker. What new items, in brackets, silver, coming out will go up in value? Good question. Difficult to say. I haven't really been looking at silver specifically at the moment, so I'm not particularly up to date on what is coming out regarding silver. But I would say, you know, look at Una and the Lions silver bars. Their premiums on those are very high right now, but they're probably only going to get higher. They're so popular in demand and they're very hard to get hold of. So not only does silver price, as we know, historically keep increasing, albeit slow, I think they're going to keep increasing in premiums. But, you know, 1 ounce Canadian maples are a great, cheap purchase for 1 ounce silver bullion. And if you're looking for a capital gains tax exempt item, look at the British Royal Arms coins, the Coronation King Charles coins, or your generic Britannias. They're very, very cheap and, you know, can fetch some good prices, hopefully in the future when silver goes up. Mrs. Coin Crew replied to Rory Sailor saying, right on. Royal Britannia, that's really good of you, Rory. Absolutely. How nice of it. Very, very kind of Rory. 365 Days of Silver, our channel moderator said, great work, Rory. Randy, welcome to the live stream, my friend. Most Life Fox, where did you get the hourglass by any chance? Good question. It was actually bought, if you're from the UK, I think it was bought in somewhere called Home Sense or Dunelm. I think that's where I got it from. Well, I think I saw it and I was with my mum and she knew I wanted one, so she bought it for me as a gift later on. And I love it. I think the timer is about 30 minutes. Silver Boy Blues, hello. Mrs. Coin Crew, there is always somebody live. Absolutely, the community for precious metals is big right now, very, very big. 100% agree about the Stack Chat, absolutely. If you haven't checked out the Stack Chat, go and do it. Subscribe to the Stack Collector, you won't regret it. He's definitely the king when it comes to investment and, more importantly, numismatic knowledge. He's very, very good on that. He's also got a fantastic video explaining how capital gains tax works. I mean, it's without a doubt the best video explaining capital gains tax I've ever seen. Just Gold said, thank you, Future Investments, and he gave me a knuckles. Thank you. The Stack Collector, you're too kind, my friend. No, you are, my mate. Donating a £5 super chat straight away in the live stream. You're definitely a super kind guy. Silver Boy Blues. My son lives in Yalestown. Did you like the accent there? I'm going to come up and see your shop eventually. What town is that? I'm confused. Randy, Mexican Libertads. I don't have any of them, but I know a few people do like Libertads. Mrs. Coin's Crew. I prefer the Britannias. Same here. Well, as you can tell, everything I've got right here is a Britannia. Silverboard Blues. Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much. No problem. Stocks 689. Welcome to the live stream. Kimchi. I'm going to do a typical Cobra stacker. Kimchi or a cheeky monkey. Welcome to the live stream, Kimchi. Hope you're well. Always see you over on Cobra's live streams. Great to see you here. I love the way that Cobra always says Kimchi or cheeky monkey. Stock 689. Are you bullion? I think you mean buying. Are you using bullion by post? And have you bought some secondhand gold? What do you think? I used to use bullion by post when I started investing, but I found much cheaper ways of buying silver. I tend to buy silver from the Silver Forum. It's secondhand. It's very safe if you use the right seller. And when it comes to gold, I like Tavex Bullion. I have a partnership with them, but I don't get anything from buying. You know, I bought a 1 gram gold Tavex bar yesterday, and I don't get any discount on that because it's not in a discount scheme. But if you do want discounts on some of their bullion, just go in the description of this video and you can see what my discount code does give you. But yeah, I don't tend to buy secondhand gold. It's too expensive to take the risk of buying secondhand for me personally, but a lot of people do, and a lot of people do it very well. You can get some great prices when buying secondhand. Kimchi, 33 people in the live chat. Oh my god, make sure you smash that like button, guys. I really appreciate it. It means so much to me when I see you're enjoying the content. Okay, Kimchi said, just joined in. Great Brits there. Quarter ounce, I think. Absolutely, these are in fact quarter ounce gold Britannias. Probably my favorite weight to stack. They are quite expensive still, you know, 440 to 460 pound. I was hoping to buy, you know, some of these this year. Maybe I will, but as it stands, I'm going to be picking up 1 gram gold Tavex bars, probably one a month this year, because I've got a lot of other investments I'm looking at buying and investing in. So I'd like to slowly and steadily increase my gold, albeit with 1 gram gold bars. But you know, buying one a month, that's 12 a year. It's not bad, is it? 12 grams of 24 karat gold bullion, adding it on top of your stack you've already got. It's a nice little top up. But you know, if I come into some cash, you know, that doesn't mean I have to sacrifice money from going into my index funds or my property fund. Then listen, I probably will try and pick up another quarter ounce gold Britannia. Last year I was crazy and I just went crazy. I bought so much silver. I bought, you know, I think 20. I bought 17 Perth Mint Dragon bars. I bought 1 kilogram silver coin. I bought 2 gold 1 ounce Britannias, 2 quarter ounce gold Britannias. My stack increased massively last year, so who knows what 2024 can hold. Stock 689, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Thank you very much for hitting the thumbs up button. Appreciate it a lot. Listen, guys, if you're really enjoying the content, consider becoming a channel member. It would really help me as a content creator because you support me by giving me that extra income to help make bigger and better videos. Not only do you get to be in the exclusive premium Future Investors Club, you get iconic badges next to your name. You get custom emojis to use in the live chat, which you could use right now. You get priority replies to your comments. You always get responded to first. The members also get every one of their YouTube channels linked in their videos of my content in the description. You get behind the scenes exclusive access to private content and updates. And the biggest one is on the 15th of every month, you get automatic entry into gold, silver, and extra prize giveaways for being a channel member. Every month, you get automatic entry. I mean, how amazing is that? We've had 2 winners already. They've both won a 1/1000th ounce New Hampshire gold back. And before you ask the question, yes, I do post to anywhere in the world. We do the live stream giveaways live every month on the 15th of every month, and they're only getting bigger and better. The prizes I've got planned are going to be huge. So right now you've got very good odds from becoming a channel member. Cobra Stacker, welcome, mate. Kimchi and Cheeky Monkey. Love to see Cobra in the stack. Right, let me try and respond to some of these comments. 28 people in the live stream. Just joined. We've gone through that current. Remember to smash the like button. Thanks 365. I really appreciate your advice, and I'm so glad I found this live stream. Silver Boy Blues, thank you so much. I put a lot of time into content creating. It really does feel like a full-time job after my own full-time job. So comments like that make it a little bit more worthwhile. You was referring to Mrs. Coin Crew shop in Muskegon, Michigan. 30 people in the live chat, 34 now, absolutely insane. Please share the live stream if you're enjoying it, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. The content I try and put out, you know, I feel like it really is beneficial if you know, you enjoy it. So please consider subscribing, sharing, and becoming a channel member. I really appreciate that. Stack Collector, love that 6 next to your name. I can't wait to see you get the 1-year channel member icon. Kimchi said, don't forget to email about your poker chips, buddy. Rule Britannia said, future investments. Can I just say, while you're live, I appreciate all your content and knowledge you share with your community. Some of the knowledge you pass on is invaluable. Rule Britannia, thank you so much, mate. That really does mean a lot. Honestly, I put hours and hours and hours and hours every bloody day into, you know, designing, drafting content, filming it, editing it, uploading it, promoting it on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. You know, then I also make premium content for channel members. Then I also reply to the comments, and then it's just a repetitive cycle. So the money you make on YouTube is quite bad for smaller channels like this. It's not worth the time you put in. So for comments like that, that really does make me very happy. So I'm glad you enjoy the content, firstly. Secondly, I'm glad I can try and provide some knowledge that is going to be beneficial to you. That's very important. And yeah, those comments mean a lot. So thank you very much, Rule Britannia. Kimchi said, Cobra, 365 days of silver, Rule B, 100% agree. Did I miss the comment from... Oh, yeah, thank you for agreeing with Rule Britannia 365. I appreciate your support. Rule Britannia and 365, you shared my channel a little while back, and that meant a lot. So thanks to you, buddy. 365 said, no worries at all, mate. 365 is one of the best for sharing smaller channels. He's very, very good with that. He said, let me know how many subs you've got now. Yeah, let us know, Rule Britannia, and we'll give you a big shout out. I'm a bit behind on the comments, guys, so please bear with me. I love that. Cobra Stacker, we've already said hello, but I'm going to do it again. Cheeky Monkey, Kimchi. Welcome, Cobra. Cobra's got the best live auctions on YouTube. If you want gold, silver on a cheap auction basis, he's the man to go and subscribe to. Not only that, every single live stream, he does a crazy, mental draw giveaway, and it's building up. Every time someone doesn't win it, he adds more precious metals to it, and someone's going to win this ridiculous pot of precious metals. I'm hoping it's me. I hope it's me, but listen, someone's got to win it, so go and subscribe to Cobra Stacker. The Stack Collector has put in the King icon, the coins icon, the approved icon, the future investments icon, the tick icon, and the good luck icon, which you can do by being a channel member. Thank you for using those channel member icons. I love to see them in the chat. Oh, we've got a very cool name here. Lobo Plate Ado Stacker. Lobo Plate Ado Stacker. Love that name. Probably mispronounced it, but nice. Kilo Britannia. Yep, she is a beauty that I'm very, very pleased with. Thank you for saying that. Cobra Stacker, Hey 365, Rule Britannia. About 20 or 30. I've stopped for a while. Just need to build up some content and confidence. Listen, you only build up confidence by doing it. So keep going, mate. I started with 0, same as everyone else, and now I've got 4,280 subscribers. It's mental. So never thought that would happen. Can't believe it. It can happen to you, mate. So put in the graft, put in the content, have fun with it, join the community, and that subscriber count will go up in no time. Kimchi says 365. Hope you're all well, bud. The Stack Collector, mate, I haven't forgot about the poker chips. Many thanks, pal. Sorry I've been late. Stack Collector said, no worries, Kimchi. Cobra Stacker said, hey, Kimchi. Cobra Stacker said, hey, the Stack Collector. Kimchi said, hey, Cobra, hope you're well, my friend. The Stack Collector. I'm well behind on the comments here. I'm going to have to skip some of these replies because I'll be here all night. Kimchi, oh, blimey, all the Cobra impressions. I shall have to change my name to Meeky Chunky. Do you mean Cheeky Monkey? No, sorry, I said that bad. Cheeky Monkey from Cobra Stacker. Cobra Stacker said, I will sub Rule Britannia. Thank you, Cobra. I really appreciate you supporting Rule Britannia. He's a great subscriber of Future Investments. Always comment on my videos. So any support you can throw his way, especially someone very big and popular like yourself, will go a long way. So thanks, Cobra. Stocks 689. Do you think we will go back to the gold preserve? No. I think the way things are going, you know, gold is becoming more and more popular. For anyone that doesn't know, a gold reserve, do you mean the gold reserve? Because right now every country has a massive gold reserve, but it's not backed by fiat currency. So, yeah. Do you think we'll go back to the gold reserve? What do you mean, reserve or preserve? I'm not 100% sure there. Sai the Soundman, our channel member with a 6-month icon next to his name. He said, hi all, really appreciate your support. Great to see you, Sai. He's got a fantastic business where he makes custom bespoke leather journals and wallets. One of them is this diary here, and it's Italian handmade bespoke leather. The stitching alone of the diary took him 6 hours. Unbelievable. It was a gift from him, and I love it. I use it all the time. I've got a whole diary in there of my investment journal. In fact, I've got a YouTube short going live tonight all about this journal, so check it out. It's going live later tonight. Everyone's smashing the comments in the live chat. Listen, guys, I love the support. Let me know if you want to see any other types of precious metals. I've got some different precious metals here. I've got a Perth Dragon bar. I kind of fell in love with these bars. They really are something special. Something about them, for me, just their design, their price point, the quality. I very much love them. I bought these from the Silver Forum from a pretty well-respected trader that had great reviews. I asked around people like 365 who are moderators, and he's sponsored by the Silver Forum for advice, and he said, yeah, go for it. They're a good seller, looking at the reviews. So I bought I think it was 17 of these Perth Mint Dragon bars. Absolutely crazy. I'm now up to date with the live chat, so I can actually look to the laptop and read the comments better. 365, I'm jumping out of the chat while I eat my pizza, but I'll be listening in the background. Brilliant. Thanks, 365. Appreciate that. Enjoy your pizza, my friend. Jack Kennedy, welcome to the live stream. He said, I live close to Canada. Do you think it would be worth buying the Canadian coins? Great question. I've got some Canadian maples somewhere. Let me just have a little look. I have got a Cobra Stacker coin here. Very cool coin. He sent me this as a gift. It's a 1 ounce handmade coin, which Cobra Stacker got made for me. 7 of 15, and I absolutely love it. Here I've got a Canadian maple. Very, very popular coins. I love them. I've got quite a few. Great price point. They're not capital gains tax exempt in the United Kingdom, but do you know what? That doesn't matter. Once I watched the Stack Collector's amazing video on describing and explaining how capital gains tax really does work, you know, it doesn't matter. The price point of this is so low, it's never going to reach the capital gains tax threshold in the UK right now. And anyway, you only pay tax on gains on the item. You don't pay tax on the entire value of the item. So learning that was a game changer for me for silver. So yeah, I would recommend 1 ounce Canadian maples. Great price point, very, very popular, very desirable, easy to sell, easy to buy. To be honest, it's a win-win really. What else have we got? We've got a smaller version of Britannia here. This is a 2022 1 ounce Britannia. I kind of fell out of love with these Britannias though, because they milk spot and go very cloudy. You can see my kilo coin's gone a little bit cloudy, but like I always say, I don't really care anymore because the precious value, it's not really worth its look value. So it's more annoying than anything, but I don't really let it bother me. Let's have a look at some of the comments. Jack Kennedy, thanks, I will invest. No problem, thanks for stopping by. I've got some Una and the Lion bars somewhere. Here I've got a James Bond No Time to Die bar, and I absolutely love that. Some of my first silver bars I ever bought. They've got every James Bond film on them. I love putting them in these capsules because they're much better. Living the Dream said 1/1000th ounce gold back. Yep, I've got 1/1000th ounce gold backs. They're in this diary. This is where they're stored, and they're being given away to channel members every single month. All you've got to do is click the join button. Not only do you get all of the exclusive benefits, behind the scenes and exclusive premium content for channel members only, your comments get replied to priority and first. You get your YouTube channels linked in every video description of mine, and most of all, on the 15th of every single month, channel members get drawn in an automatic live giveaway for gold and silver and other awesome prizes every month without fail. I do a live stream for my channel members only, and you get to win wicked prizes. To do that, just click the join button and get the exclusive benefits from joining the Premium Future Investor Club. We've got a lot of channel members in the comment section tonight, so I'm sure they can vouch for that. Cobra Stacker said, cool, I will try and link though. I'm sure I tried to look you up under that name and couldn't find you. I'll PM you. Living the dream. So you're a fan of 1,000th ounce gold backs. Me too. In the UK, they're not any form of legal tender, but listen, they're great fun to have. They're great to stack. You can get 1/4 ounce gold backs as well. You know, and if the channel memberships keep growing like it does, I'm just going to increase the size and weight of gold and silver that I'm able to give away. Loving the support tonight, guys. 17 people, 20 likes. Thank you so much. If you're really enjoying it, consider becoming a channel member or liking or even sharing. It really will help the channel grow, and it means a lot to me that you guys enjoy me enough to become channel members. Cider Soundman's just responding to some of the comments. Let me know if you've got any questions that you'd like to get an exclusive answer to on this live stream tonight, whether it's investment related. Maybe you're thinking about investing in index funds, using compound interest to really build up your savings and investment. Maybe you're looking to preserve your wealth with gold and silver bullion. Maybe you're looking at building passive income. Well, maybe I'm a good person to speak to regarding rental buy-to-let properties. It's something I'm working hard on achieving this year and next year. It's a topic I love to talk about, and it's going to be a big part of my channel once I achieve my first rental, and I can't wait for that to happen. If you've got any more questions about me personally as future investments, feel free to bang them in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer what I can. Don't forget, guys, if you want cheaper gold and silver bullion, you can use my discount code Future Investments, and you can see all of the gold and silver that applies with the discounts in the description below for TAVX Bullion. Silver Boy Blues, welcome to the Premium Future Investor Club. That is amazing. Thank you so much, Silver Boy Blues. Wow, I can't believe we've got another channel member during this live stream. Good luck in the monthly giveaway. You will be automatically entered into winning gold and silver and awesome other prizes every single month on the 15th of every month. Don't forget, I do a live stream on the 15th of every month where we do races to win awesome prizes. The prizes are only getting bigger and better. And recently I've been in contact with TAVX Bullion, and they're going to be sending me some items to also give away in the channel member giveaway. So there's an exclusive look for you. I did mention it in a community post the other day, but here it is. TAVX Bullion are going to be sending me some goodies to give away in channel membership. So I'm just waiting to receive those. Hopefully we get them before the next draw. I'm sure we will, but if we don't, they'll be given away anyway in future draws. So welcome, Silver Boy Blues. Go to the channel membership page on my YouTube channel and go through some of the content. I've got my full portfolio reveal. I did that last month, and I revealed the entire net worth of my portfolio. That included my cash savings, my property, my commodities, gold and silver bullion, index funds, you name it. So I don't advertise that a lot on my channel memberships because it's quite personal, and I'm not trying to get members to join to see that. But if you are a member, this is the sort of benefits you get. You get to see my full investment portfolio. So go on the channel membership page. You can see my full portfolio reveal. Not only that, but you can see who's previously won gold and silver prizes, and you can see all of the exclusive behind the scenes content. So welcome, Silver Boy Blues, and I look forward to having you as a premium future investor. I want to say a big shout out to Cobra Stacker, Cheeky Monkey, for donating a super chat of $9.99. I can't believe this. Thank you so much, Cobra. That support is left me speechless. Thank you so much. You guys are smashing it tonight. I've done this live stream off of the cuff. I didn't really plan it, and we've had a £5 donation from the Stat Collector, a £20 donation as well. Unbelievable. That was from our other viewers in the stack. I can't see it because it's not letting me appear. And we've got Silver Boy Blues becoming a channel member. Unbelievable. Thank you so much, guys. Your support is insane. Thank you so much. Cobra, really appreciate that, my friend. You're a true gent. He actually gave me this 1 kilogram silver capsule, and yeah, I can't believe it. Bloody hell, Jack Kennedy, welcome to the channel membership. No way. Wow, I'm so pleased to have you in part of the Premium Future Investors Club. Go and check out my full portfolio reveal video. You can see my entire gold and silver holdings, my cash savings, my property holdings, and you get automatic entry into giveaways every single month. please go and check them out. Look at the benefits of the club. Go and enjoy it. There's plenty of post videos and community posts. I can't wait for you to get the benefits. So welcome, Jack Kennedy, and great to see you here. Thank you for joining, guys. And again, thank you to Cobra for the super chat of $9.99. It means a lot, and I really appreciate it, my friends. You're a true gentleman. So let's go back to some of the comments very quickly, while maybe some of you go and check out the benefits of the club. Julian Caesar, you mentioned earlier that Bullion by Post has high premiums. I moved to Europe, the Netherlands. Who would you recommend I use? Great question. I would recommend personally Tavex Bullion. Now, a lot of you will know that I am affiliated and have a partnership with Tavex, but I don't recommend them just because I'm partnered with them. The reason I'm partnered with them is because I believe in them. They're one of the cheaper bullion dealers out there, and their quality and craftsmanship and service is second to none. So they have 14 stores all around the world. Definitely check them out. They do really have cheap bullion. You've also got Atkinson's and the Silver Forum, where you can get really, really cheap bullion. So there's a few options there for you. I'm not just going to tell you Tavex Bullion, but those are the ones I'd recommend. Maybe Atkinson's, the Silver Forum for maybe secondhand silver, or Tavex Bullion for new gold. But I'm sure there's people in the comments who would definitely recommend other places for you. Most bullion dealers post globally as well. So yeah, nice and easy. Can't believe we've got a new member. Jack Kennedy, welcome to the club. We've also got Silver Boy Blues. Great to see you guys joining the club. Stat Collector, our channel member and channel moderator, said, awesome work, Jack. I love seeing everyone welcome the new channel members. Jack Kennedy said, I had to keep it rolling. Absolutely. Love that. I can't wait for you to be involved in the automatic giveaways every single month. They're only getting bigger and better. The more people that join, the more revenue for the channel. It allows me to do bigger, better, and sexier giveaways. And yes, I post anywhere in the world. Doesn't matter if you're in Timbuktu or the United Kingdom, you'll get your prize if you win it. I always send it by tracked and signed delivery as well if I can. So I always provide proof of delivery. Okay, so let's keep the ball rolling. Sam David, great to see you in the live stream, my friend. Do you think silver will increase in value due to industrial uses and jewelry? Absolutely love this question. Absolutely love it. Okay, so do I think silver value will increase? Short answer, yes. In fact, I'm confident silver will increase. I will say I'm not a financial advisor, and even financial advisors don't know for certain. But I am an investor in precious metals and other assets, and I really do believe in it. Otherwise, I wouldn't have a 1 kilogram silver Britannia. For me, I think silver is massively undervalued. I feel like a lot of people feel this. It's a precious metal, although some people call it an industrial metal, which I have to agree with. It's massively used in industrial sectors, such as electric cars, battery terminals, solar panels, medicine and healthcare. Silver is one of the most conductive metals, and it's one of the most reflective metals. So listen, silver for me, around £16 an ounce per spot price, something like that right now. I think it's massively undervalued. I haven't got the biggest holding of silver, but that's because I'm more focused on gold. But nonetheless, I do think silver in the next 10 to 20 years is going to have a dramatic price change. Let's not forget, it's a non-renewable resource in terms of where it comes from. It's mined out of the Earth's crust. Unless we find a massive source in space that we're able to mine and bring back, which I think is very unrealistic, especially in this age, I don't think that silver's going to go down. I think it's only going to go up. So simple answer is yes, I think silver's undervalued. I think it's a great time to buy silver and hold it for a long term. Bear in mind though, silver does carry some premiums. And if you're from the UK, you do get charged 20% VAT on your silver purchases. So it's definitely not a quick flip item. It's a long-term hold. Okay, so let's get some of the comments. Sorry, the Stat Collector, I need to start replying to some of my moderators and channel members because you get priority reply to comments. He said, you missized, great question, future mate. Thank you for letting me know, the Stat Collector. I will be scrolling back up to look for size question. Bear with me. I'm just having a look for size question. Can't currently see it. I'm scrolling well up. Please, if you know what it was, please repost size question, or Si, if you can re-put it in for me, because I cannot find it at the moment. Bear with me, guys. I'm having a little look. Side of Sound Man. If you were, there we go. Thank you very much for letting me know, Stack Collector. He's a fantastic member and channel moderator. Sorry, Si, I did miss that. We're going crazy tonight. Future investments. If you were blindfolded and gagged, it sounds naughty, doesn't it? But it is Friday, so that's fair enough. And forced to buy a silver coin, which would you buy? If you were blindfolded and gagged, and they said buy a silver coin, which would you buy? If it was a bar, it'd be much easier for me to answer because I have a favourite silver bar. But for me, it would be a 1 kilogram silver Britannia. I love them. They're very expensive. They have some very high premiums. But if I'm gagged and I'm being forced to buy anything, if it's silver, I'll buy a 1 kilogram silver Britannia. I've got one, and to be honest with you, I've got enough room in my case where I store it to have another one. And I must find it's very, very tempting to add another one on top of the stack. It's a great question. Thank you for letting me know, the Stack Collector, that I missed it. Let's go back to some of the comments. Silverboy Blue said, cool, joining the channel brothers, Jack. Love that support. It is a real great club. Stack Collector said, hey Lee buddy, welcome Lee Parola, great to see you my friend. Sai says, have to pop off, lasagna is ready, we'll catch up later, have a great evening all. Thanks Sai, appreciate your comments, questions and support. Have a great lasagna, hopefully see you later. Okay, let's go back to some of the comments. If I do miss your comments guys, sorry, I'm trying my best, but you guys are smashing it. If I do miss it, just repost your question. Do they offer the same kind of insured free delivery in the Netherlands? They should do. It says on their website for Tavex Bullion that they post anywhere in the world, so give them a call, but yeah, or an email, and they can clarify that for you, but I'm sure they do. If so, I'll check out Tavex, Julian said. Wicked, mate. Use my discount code. Link is in the description of all of my videos and this live stream, and there's a breakdown of all of the gold and silver that those discounts apply for. Just to help you out, you might get slightly cheaper purchase. Lee Parola, great to see you in the live chat, my friend. How are you in sunny Wales, or maybe cold, wet Wales? I don't know how it is, but I hope you're well. Would future investments swap his Z for gold, and how much? Great question. This is actually an important topic to me right now because I am tempted to sell my Nissan. It's worth quite a bit of money. I talked about it in my portfolio reveal that only channel members can see, where I talked about my entire net worth and holdings. Would I swap my Z for gold? Difficult question. I'd be very tempted. I could get a lot of 1 ounce gold Britannias for what the Z is worth. Yeah. If someone said to me, look, here's, I don't know, 15 1 ounce gold Britannias, do you want to swap it for your Nissan? I'd be tempted. I'd have to work out how much exactly, but right now, no. I'm looking forward to taxing it in the summer and driving it. It's currently tucked away, waxed and polished, ready for me to use in the summer, and I can't wait, to be honest with you. But I am focused on my investments, so I'm not sure. There's a fine balance. I spend all my time on investments and YouTube, and sometimes it's quite overwhelming. And being able to go out in my Nissan 370Z Nismo, which I've got, is a great relief. It's a great part of my life that I have a lot of fun in. Yes, it's an expensive thing that I own, and it's a liability, but you know, life is also about enjoying things. So great question. I think I would swap it for gold, or I'd sell it and put that money into property, maybe later in the year, but we'll see. Love that question though. Really made me think. Karen Castro Cosadoba, love that name. Welcome to the live stream. They're yawning because they're tired, apparently. Lee Parola, hey, the Stack Collector. Hope you're well, man. Sam David, I see a lot of people purchasing 1 gram bars. However, I reckon if those are in your price range, then might as well stretch and grab the 1/10 ounce coins and blister packs. Yeah, listen, that's a great point. They're capital gains tax exempt, and there's, you know, less premiums on a 1/10 ounce gold coin than there is on a 1 gram gold bar. But, you know, £120 compared to maybe £50-60, well, £60-70, depending where you're buying a 1 gram gold bar. Yeah, it's double, isn't it? Good question. Yeah, you're probably factually, you're right there. On paper, financially, you're right. But something is so alluring about 1 gram gold bars. The way they are, the design is just really, really quite special. And a lot of people are attracted to them. Yes, their premiums are very high, no denying that. But 1 gram gold bars are just something special. There's great in the fact that they're very liquid, and you know, they are the cheapest bullion you can buy, 24 carat. I've got one here if you want to see that. That's a 1 gram PAMP Gold Bar, 24 carat, 4/9's fine. Very nice piece. I do love them in these cards. They seem so tiny and insubstantial, but at the end of the day, it's still worth what it's worth. We're talking around, you know, 65, 60 pound for that if you were to sell it, I reckon, depending on gold prices. Great question though. The Stack Collector, I'm good, Lee. How you doing, mate? Are you out in the woods this weekend? Jack Kennedy, our very new channel member, very, very new, said, how do you feel about the Scottsdale bars or the mint? They're fine. I don't have any myself. I'm a bit of a sucker for the Royal Mint, although I never buy from the Royal Mint anymore. I buy from Tavex. I like Britannia's because they're capital gains tax exempt. And when it comes to like silver bars, I like the Perth Mint Dragon bars. I like the Royal Mint's Una and the Lion bars. So yeah, I don't have any dislike towards Scottsdale. A lot of people have a lot of silver bars and items from them. They're clearly getting popular. But for me, I prefer the more popular pieces like Britannia's or the Una and the Lion bars from the Royal Mint. Kimchi said, Lee, good evening, my friend. Sorry to anyone I've missed. Stack Collector said, Scottsdale are awesome, Jack. I love the Vortex bars. There you go. So clearly a lot of people love Scottsdale bars. I think 365's got quite a few Scottsdale silver bars. Definitely can check it out by going to his channel. Randall, or 5 gram bars. I absolutely love 5 gram bars. If you want to see one, I've got one here. 5 gram gold bar. Very sexy from the Royal Mint. This is a Britannia. Yes, it's not capital gains tax exempt, but it's a beautiful piece. It's no doubt a beautiful, beautiful piece. Okay, just going to pop that down so I can go back to some of the comments. Thank you for all of the likes, guys. We've got 23 likes, 28 people in here, and we've had £25 of super chats and 2 channel members. Got to be one of the most successful live streams I've ever done. Thank you for your support. It really does mean a lot. Lee Prola said, listen, I've had a hard day cutting a massive tree and a blockage in a deep, cold river. Wow. Sounds like you're a landscaper. Is that what you do, Lee? Something like that. Silverboy Blues, our latest channel member, along with Jack, said, I love the cowboy rounds from Scottsdale, Jack, and lots of their other items. See, Scottsdale really getting popular. I have seen an uplift in content creators purchasing Scottsdale bars. The Stack Collector. Ooh, I feel for you, Lee, buddy. I've got 3 trees to do Monday. Cool. Silverboy Blues. Got my first and only Vortex bar recently, the Stack Collector. It's sweet. Hope to get more later. Stack Collector said, Cowboys are great, Silverboy Blues. Here's one for you, future mate. Scottsdale have just released the Cowboy round in gold. Wow. I'm going to have to go check that out because that sounds absolutely amazing. Scottsdale. Let's see if I can find it right now on the live stream. Scottsdale. Bear with me. Scottsdale Mint. Okay, let's have a look. Do you know, I don't think I've ever been on Scottsdale's website. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Shop. Gold coins. Oh, there's quite a lot of coins. Wow, they've got some stunning pieces on their website. Stunning pieces. That Cameroon mandrel looks absolutely lovely. Wow, they've got some beautiful pieces. I'm going to have to come back to the live chat because I'll be there all night. Randall, Silver Britannias are $1.99 over spot at JM Bullion. Wow, that's good. SJ Wizzle said, hello from Birmingham. I'm doing research into my venture into investing. Appreciate your videos. They have given me a lot of insight. Thank you so much. I'm really pleased that I can help you on your journey. When I started, there wasn't the the sort of genuine lower content creators out there with lower subscribers. There was the big ones that were talking about millions and companies, and it was overwhelming and not what I was looking for. So I'm pleased I can help you on the start of your journey. Silver Boy Blue said, wow, I bet that cowboy round will be amazing in gold. Yeah, I've just had a little look. I can't find it. I'm going to have a look after this live stream. Lee said, hey, Kimchi. Guys, if you do want to join the channel membership, we've got 2 new channel members. They've just joined tonight. They're going to be automatically entered into the giveaways on the 15th of every month. Last 2 months I've given away New Hampshire gold backs. The prizes are only getting bigger. I've been in contact with Tavex Bullion, and they're going to be sending me some exclusive items which I've agreed to give away to my channel members only. Unbelievable. I'm so excited. Let's hope they come before the very next draw. If not, they're going to be in the next one. So consider becoming a channel member. Not only that, but you can see my entire portfolio holding. I don't really promote that too much because I don't want too many people knowing my personal portfolio. But listen, you guys, channel members, you're a special club. You're premium future investors. And for that, you should get some serious benefits. So consider joining Jack and Silver Boy Blues in the channel membership, along with the Stack Collector side of Soundman and all of my other fantastic channel members. 365 Days of Silver said, smash the like button, please all. What a return. Hope you enjoyed your pizza, 365. Very important. Let me know what pizza it was, because that's really, really important. Randall says, that is a bargain for Brits, in my opinion. Yeah, I agree. Great price from Kimchi. The Stat Collector says, Lee does my job, but he does it in rivers. Wow. Fair play, Lee. That sounds like a pretty gnarly job. I hope you get sorted out for that, because that sounds like a pretty rough old job in this time of year. Randall says, quite, Kimchi. 365 says, hello, I'm back. Hello to anyone I haven't said hello yet to. We've had a crazy uplift, 365. In the short time you've been gone, we've got 2 new channel members, and we've had Cobra donate a super chat of $9.99. So £25 in donations tonight, 2 new channel members, and the night isn't over. Love it. Thanks so much for your support, guys. I can't wait to have more people in the club so I can give bigger and better items away every single month. Thanks for supporting me. I really appreciate it. The Stat Collector said, the gold cowboy is only available to VIP customers right now, future mate. It'll be for general release soon. Interesting. I noticed that they're obviously an American bullion dealer. Has anyone purchased from the Scottsdale Mint in the UK? And how does that work with receiving gold and silver items in the post? Is there a VAT charge or postage charge ordering it from a foreign exchange? Let me know. Or do they have a site in the UK? Ham and pineapple, obviously. Absolutely disgusting, 365. The ham is fine, but the pineapple, mate, can't deal with that. I'm really sorry. Can't deal with that. SJ Swizzle said, is it only Britannias that are capital gains tax free? And as a first time buyer, where is the best to buy from? Directly from the mint? Thanks. Brilliant question. I love that we've got a new investor in the house. If you need any more advice, 365 Days of Silver and the Stat Collector are fantastic for advice as well. Definitely consider subscribing to them, because they're genuine guys who are part of our team, and we help new investors like yourself. So to answer your question, if you're from the UK, Britannias are capital gains tax exempt, sovereigns are capital gains tax exempt, and any gold coin minted from the Royal Mint is capital gains tax exempt. When we look at silver, Britannias are exempt, sovereigns are exempt as well. So they are your capital gains tax exempt items. Bars are not capital gains tax exempt, whether they're silver or gold. Hope that helps your answer. And in terms of where is best to buy from, listen, I would say Tavex Bullion. I am partnered with them, but I buy from them myself. Yesterday I ordered a 1 gram gold bar. You can use my discount code, Future Investments. The code is in the description of this video. And if you look down, there's an option of all of the selected gold and silver that the discounts apply for. So the discounts apply on 1 gram PAMP gold bars, 2.5 PAMP bars, 5 gram PAMP bars, 10 gram PAMP bars, 20 gram PAMP bars, 1 ounce PAMP gold bars, 50 gram PAMP bars, 100 gram PAMP gold bars, 250 gram Valcambi Suisse Gold Bars, 1 ounce silver Royal Canadian Arms, gold coins, 1 ounce Royal Arms silver coin, 1 ounce British Myths and Legends Merlin gold coin, 1 ounce Royal Tudor Beasts, the Bull of Clarence gold coin, and a 1 ounce Royal Tudor Beast Yale of Beaufort 2023 gold coin. So there's a lot of discounts that you can use on TavX Bullion. But if you want cheaper silver, maybe go to the silver forum. There's a lot of cheap silver on there that you can buy, or maybe Atkinson's or somewhere like that. Hope that helps. But yeah, I would say TavX Bullion is my go-to. If not, the silver forum for secondhand silver. Only buy from reputable sellers, or maybe Atkinson's. A lot of people love Atkinson's. Or someone like Cobra Stacker. Cobra Stacker is a great guy to buy bullion from. He's a big YouTuber. He's my friend. He's part of our team. He's a pillar of the community. He does live auctions every month. You can buy bullion direct from him. Very cheap. Cheaper probably than you're going to get anywhere. That's a great place to buy from. So Cobra Stacker. I need a drink. Silver Boy Blues. I see it now on SD Bullion. They apparently sent me an email about it too. Amazing. Christian Vasilev. Hello. Love your name. That is very cool. Whereabouts are you from, Christian Vasilev? Love that name. He said hello and welcome to the live stream, my friend. We're talking about investments, be it gold, money, and everything in between. We have also talked about the earth being round and flat, but I'm not going to get into that because I might set the stack collector off. Wow, it's blowing up tonight. Yeah, mate, it's been crazy. Like I said, we've got 2 new channel members. We've got Jack and Silver Boy Blues join, and we've had an immense amount of super chats. I'm blown away, and I'm so happy to have you all here with me. Don't forget, guys, if you are channel members, you can use any emojis in the live chat. Channel members get exclusive access to use emojis during the comment sections and the live chat. So if you're commenting, feel free to throw any of those emojis in. I love the new member icons that you've got next to your name. It looks great. The stack collector, no SJ Swizzle. Anything that has a face value is capital gains tax free. Absolutely. So if it's got legal, if it's got a value on it. So for example, this Britannia says it's got £25. That is legal tender. That is capital gains tax exempt. If it has a face value like this with a value on of £25, is capital gains tax exempt because technically it's a form of currency. Now you'd never be able to spend it in a shop. The cashier would never accept it. But legally on the books, it's actually legal tender. Of course, you would never use it and you'd never spend it as £25 because it's worth well over £400. But that's how it becomes capital gains tax exempt. The stack collector throwing in all of the members emojis at once. Absolutely love that. Great to see them popping in the comments. Do you collect sovereigns as well? Christian Vasilev said. No. I like sovereigns. They're very popular. But for me, I prefer the colour of 24 karat gold bullion. And I love the fact that gold Britannias are 24 karat, whereas sovereigns are 22 karat. I'm a little bit picky and I love the fact that they're slightly purer gold content. But listen, that's not to say sovereigns aren't a good investment. They're a great price point and sometimes they don't have big premiums. So if it's something that may interest you, it's definitely worth looking into. Kimchi said, never used TavX but only heard good things. Atkinson's is my go-to. Shards fell back on the it's only bullion excuse when I got a bad coin and a high premium. Yeah, I haven't heard an awful lot about shards in the last few years, to be honest with you. It used to be bigger back in the day. Atkinson's, again, is very popular. And for me, TavX Bullion is number 1. I did do a price comparison quite a few months ago on the cheapest bullion dealers in the UK that I like, and TavX Bullion was number 1. SJ Swizzle said, cheers for the response and thanks to Stack Collector too. No problem. The Stack Collector's a great guy. He's a channel moderator here and he's got some fantastic knowledge. He'd be very happy to help you. Worth checking out his channel. He's got an awful lot of knowledge. And the Stack Collector has also got the best video I have ever seen on explaining capital gains tax and how it works. I would definitely recommend checking that out. Okay. Bear with me. I'm just going through membership gifting. I have 10 memberships to gift this month and I'm going to gift 5 right now. So the memberships I gift will be publicly announced. Lucky recipients selected by YouTube get 1 month of access to perks from premium to be a premium future investor. So I'm going to give 5 away right now. It's only for a month, but it will give you some access. So here we go. I've just selected to give away 5 channel memberships. This is for a month only, but it will give you exclusive access to the perks. It will cancel after 1 month. So members like Silver Boy Blues and Jack will be a permanent member. But if you want to renew after the month, then definitely consider renewing. He's gifted it without choice by me to Creative Precious Metals. He in fact used to be a channel member, and I hope he renews when he stays. Sneaky Sneakers and Supercars, GKK, Matt Newathon, Phil Shaw. Brilliant. Absolutely love that. Randall said congrats all. And 365 Days of Silver said CPM's in the shadows. Hello, mate. Great to see CPM. Love that. Thanks for being in the live chat. And I'm very pleased that I could gift 5 temporary channel members to you guys. It was really nice to be able to do that. I do have 5 left to give, but I'm going to hold fire for now. CPM's in the shadows. Hello. Very sneaky CPM, mate. He's been watching in the blues. I've caught him out there. Silver Boy Blues, our latest channel member, along with Jack Kennedy, said, that's awesome, Ren. Time. The reason blues is in my name is because I didn't start stacking precious metals sooner, so I'm singing blues only over that. Love that. Welcome, Ren Time. Great to see you here. And yeah, love this. Absolutely love tonight. It's going crazy. We've been live streaming for 77 minutes. 22 people in the live chat, 27 likes. Absolutely insane. What an amazing live stream we've gone from tonight. And yeah, scroll up for my question future. Thank you for letting me know. I will scroll up for that now. Let's have a look. There we go. Thank you, 365, for letting me know about your question. He says, if someone gave you £500 and said you needed to invest it in one individual stock, what would you choose, future? Oh, that is a good question. I'm going to be honest. I'm not going to lie. The first very thought that come to my head was McDonald's. Now, the reason I say that is because it has been on the back burner of my mind. McDonald's, whatever you say about the quality of the food, for me, it tastes great and is very affordable. And there are thousands of McDonald's stores and branches around the world. It's a franchise. McDonald's is only getting bigger and more successful. As the cost of living increases, more people turn to fast food like McDonald's. It's a cheap, tasty, very quick way to get food. And I do believe that it's only going to increase. Things are going to get more expensive. The divide between poor and rich people is only going to get greater. And I think that will only benefit companies like McDonald's, having quick, giving people more time, which is just as valuable as money, and also being cheap. So do you know what? I'd probably consider putting £500 in McDonald's. I feel like that would be a good long-term investment. Love the question, though. Let me know what you would invest in 365. If you were given £500 right now, I'd love to know, what stock would you choose? All right, let's have a look at some of the comments as well. I love your comments, guys. You make me laugh. Silver Boy Blues, again, our new channel member. Wow, so awesome of you giving those away. Thank you, Silver Boy Blues. I appreciate that, and I'm so pleased you're part of the channel membership. I really wish you, Silver Boy Blues and Jack Kennedy, being the first 2 joining channel members of the night, so much luck in the giveaway, the 15th of February. 365 Days of Silver, great choice. Love that. Really pleased that you agree. Can't see that company going anywhere. Again, I agree. For the reasons I said, I'm not going to go over it again, but I really do have big faith in McDonald's. I feel like it would be a good long-term investment. They say, don't they, that the quickest way to become a millionaire is to buy a McDonald's franchise or get the rights to have a McDonald's franchise, and that's the quickest way to $1 million. I'm not sure how involved or how easy it is to get involved with that, but I'm sure you've got to put a big fat deposit down. But, you know, when do you ever really see McDonald's closing down? You don't really. Obviously, location is key for sure. If I miss any comments, guys, sorry. And channel moderators, if I miss a question, please let me know. I'd really appreciate it. Ren said, I'm getting my first 1/10 ounce Britannia soon. Fantastic. Absolutely brilliant. Well done for starting your gold investment journey. If that's your very first piece, it sounds like it. A Britannia is a great piece to buy. It's capital gains tax exempt. It's very popular. It's very desirable. And it's a great fractional metal. A lot of people love them. 365 Days of Silver Plus, they are one of the biggest investors in real estate. Very true. I also learned that from the fantastic movie The Founder with Michael Keaton, I believe it was. It teaches you how McDonald's started, how the brand was kind of stole from the original creators, but how it's also about real estate. McDonald's owns the land under their franchises, and then they franchise out the stores, the restaurants, should I say. So not only are they getting rent from the land that they own and the value of the land increases over time, but they're getting a massive income from having a franchise of a McDonald's. It's a bloody brilliant business idea, and it's no surprise that they're one of the biggest brands and companies in the world. The first McDonald's was actually brought in China in 1990. The very first restaurant was opened in 1990, if you didn't know that. Just a little fact I saw the other day, funnily enough. 365 said, I'd go for Apple. Interesting. Apple are massive, biggest company in the world, I believe. Hard to disagree with why you would not go with them. Use their products daily, and again, don't think they're going anywhere. Great point. Ren said, I'd do Amazon. Again, Amazon, you know, next day delivery, how big and popular that is. I mean, Christ, everyone uses Amazon delivery. It's only getting, people are getting more access to it everywhere in the world. So again, you guys are coming out with some fantastic stock options of where you'd invest for long-term investments. Silverboy Blues, our channel member, said that's great rent time. Randall said, or Apple again. Matador, welcome. He said, hello, Billy Boy. Great to see you in the live chat. Not seen you here before, so lovely to see you here. The Stack Collector said, NVIDIA, great investment potentials. Absolutely. I know you and 365 are big fans of the NVIDIA, and you have tempted me many times to start getting invested in more stocks. That's a bit of a goal for me this year, to research one stock every single year. A good friend of mine gave me that New Year's resolution, and I have been doing great so far. So thank you for that New Year's resolution. You know who you are. Silverboy Blues, so great stacking, and only 13 years old, rent time. Good for you. Is he really only 13? I missed that. Wow. That is incredible. He's only 13 years old, and he's got... I am 13 and I stack and live in the US. Mate, you're going to be absolutely smashing it. Fantastic. Well done, Ren. Keep going. Maybe consider looking into index funds like the S&P 500. You will be a very wealthy and financially secure man by the time you're a young adult. Silverboy Blues. Yeah, again, read that comment. He's talking about Ren and a massive motivation for him. Matador said, well said. Silverboy Blues, thank you, Future Investments. No problem. Thank you for being a channel member. You get a priority applies to your comments. So thank you for joining the membership. I need a drink. Bloody hell, you guys are putting in so many comments. Let me go through some more of the comments. Which is better, gold or silver? Matador said. Great question. For me, gold's better. It's a bigger store of wealth. It's a more secure store of wealth. And it's, it's very popular. But listen, if I didn't think gold was also a good store of wealth, I wouldn't have a big 1 kilogram silver Britannia sitting right in front of me. So, yeah, I would say gold's a better store of wealth for me, or better investment for me. But I also love silver. And a lot of you guys love silver as well. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be streaming till 7 o'clock, and then I'm going to finish the live stream. So get any final questions, comments in. If you do want to join a membership, now is the time to do it. You get to see my entire investment portfolio, which I revealed everything from my cash savings, my holdings from gold and silver, my value of my index funds, and my property holding, a complete breakdown. I don't advertise it because I don't really want too many people knowing about it. But if you become a channel member, you deserve to get some exclusive behind the scenes content. So definitely check it out. And you also get priority reply to comments. Your channel's linked in every video description, and you get automatic entry into fantastic prize giveaways every single month, which I post to anywhere in the world. Enough about that now. Let's go back to some of the comments. Kimchi said, isn't it only the big 8 to 10 holding up the S&P right now? Yeah, there is definitely the big 8 to 10 in the S&P, Amazon, Apple, Tesla. There's a lot to be said for that. But yeah, you're right. They are the pillars of the S&P 500. But I can't complain because right now my S&P 500 investment is up more than it's ever been. And I'm very pleased with that. Rentime said, yep, I have a channel called Ren Stocks. Love that. Well done, Ren. Keep going, mate. You're 13 years old. You're stacking gold, investing and learning. And you're even doing YouTube. So if you keep going, you can become a monetized content creator like myself, Future Investments, or 365, or the Stack Collector, or Cobra Stacker. And there is benefits to that. As a smaller creator, you don't earn much money at all. It's not worth the time you put in. But as a bigger creator, it starts becoming more beneficial. So it can generate almost a passive income. So definitely consider keeping up with your YouTube channel as much as your investments. It really can not only increase your knowledge by networking, which is extremely important, but it can generate more income for you, which, every little helps, whether it's small or large. Rentime said, I started trading at 8. Wow, you must have a very good mentor to help you along your way. Good to know. I'll check out and sub to your channel. Very nice of you, Silverboy Blue, supporting Rentime. Kimchi said, hey, Stephen. Welcome. Great to see Stephen in the chat. He said, greetings, chaps. Great to see you, Stephen. If you didn't know, Stephen's got the world's largest holding of 1 ounce Una and the Lion silver bars. If you can't buy any, it's probably because Stephen's got the entire stock of 1 ounce Una and the Lion silver bars. Matador said, thank you very much. May God bless you. Thank you very much. That's a lovely comment. Kimchi said, Tesla is in trouble, isn't it? Not that I'm aware, but I've just seen the Stack Collector, our channel moderator. He said Tesla is in trouble for violating Tesla's he said Tesla's too volatile for me, Kimchi, mate. Yeah, I guess I hold Tesla, but only in the S&P 500. I don't invest in it directly. Rentime said, thanks for the advice. No problem. The biggest and best advice I would give is network. Talk to people who have achieved more than yourself, and you will learn and have fantastic, wonderful friends and mentors. And trust me, that will change your life. Lee Parola, is there the Stack Collector chat this weekend? There is indeed. It is tomorrow. The Stack Collector will be doing his Stack chat. I don't know if you're announcing who is on the Stack chat, the Stack Collector. Let me know if you want to in the comment section, and everyone can find out. If not, it will be a surprise. But definitely go and subscribe to the Stack Collector, because if you like this live stream tonight and you're having fun, trust me, you'll have even more fun at the Stack Collectors. He's a brilliant interviewer and live stream host. It's unbelievable how good he is. So yeah, definitely check him out. I'll be there, and I'll see you in the comment section. So definitely go over there and subscribe. Josh, welcome to the live stream, my friend. He said, I know you invest in the S&P 500, but what are your thoughts on it? It's at an all-time high. Do you think it could go higher? I have money in the FTSE All-World 250. Love that question, Josh. I'm a big fan of the index funds. I do think it can go higher for sure. The S&P 500 is an index fund following the largest economy in the world, the United States, North America as well. And yeah, I have massive faith in it. I'm in the S&P 500 for a long-term investment. I really do believe in it. And yeah, I'm in it for the long term. So yeah, I like that you've got an all-world fund index as well. I know the majority of those hold a lot of America anyway, but great that you're trying to diversify. That's really good, spreading risk and spreading reward, spreading the potential chance for greater yield, should I say. Stack Collector said, yes, Lee buddy. Tomorrow I will be doing the Stack chat on my channel at 7 p.m. Hope to see you there. And it's Coin Noob 71 this week, mate. He's an awesome TikTok creator. He is, in fact, I do follow him on TikTok, and he's a great creator. FPV Freedom UK. Yes, yes. Big up to you all. Thank you, FPV Freedom. Great to see you in a live chat, my friend. Listen, guys, I'm going to be live for 13 more minutes. So get your questions in. Subscribe if you want to see more feature-length content. And if you want to see exclusive behind-the-scenes content, join the Premium Future Investors Club by clicking the Join Members button. Valero, forgive me if I change topic, but I'm interested in your opinion. I wrote to PAMP asking to mint historical lime bars celebrating the past civilizations, but I only got a thanks in a response. Well, I'll be honest with you, I'm surprised you even got a response, because I, in fact, emailed PAMP as well, and they never came back to me regarding a question about a 1 gram gold bar I have. So I'm surprised you even got a response. Here is that particular 1 gram gold bar in question. That was a long time ago. I emailed them and they never even emailed me back. So yeah, it's not great customer service that you only got thanks back. So for a big bullion dealer, I guess they don't care personally about their customers. Valero, yeah, that's what I think about it. I think they produce some of the world's finest bullion, but maybe their customer detail isn't up to point, at least on foreign customers. Maybe if you go into a store, I'm sure it's great. Time, how often do you do this? Not that often. I used to live stream every Sunday. The Stack Collector used to come over to my channel and I used to go over to his, but I'm so busy as a content creator now. I'm constantly filming, drafting videos. It takes up too much of my time, so I don't have enough time to live stream. But tonight I wanted to communicate with you guys, but I will try and live stream when I can. 365 days of silver. I need to jump off, guys. Fantastic surprise live. Take care, everyone. Thanks for your support, 365. Really appreciate it. He's one of the biggest YouTubers in the content creating precious metals community, so definitely worth checking 365 out. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow in the Stack chat if you're able to be there during the Stack Collectors live stream. Thanks, 365. I'll see you later. Valero, compliment for the channel. Thank you very much, Valero. Appreciate that. The Stack Collector, Kimchi said, I'm hearing companies in the US are cancelling massive Tesla orders. Wow. And Stack Collector's confirming that, yeah, they are. Rentime, want to do an interview of a 12-year-old stacker? Absolutely. 13-year-old stacker? Absolutely. If you want to jump on a live stream with me on another day, get in touch, Rentime. I would love that. That would be very, very interesting to hear an opinion from a young new investor. Send me an email. I've got my link in the description. It's futureinvestments2022@gmail.com. Send me an email. Maybe get your parents' permission because you are a minor. But if you'd like to jump on a live stream, I'd love to have you. It would be great to give you some advice and maybe even learn something from you. But yeah, chuck me an email. Maybe ask your parents if you're okay to do a live stream. And yeah, I'd love to do it. 365 is off. Thanks for supporting 365. Matador, good night. He said to 365. Lee Parola, I reckon Future Investments has a pizza delivery at 7 p.m. Funny you should say that. It's 10 to 7 and my partner is waiting for me to finish my live streams. I think I'm going to treat us to a McDonald's. Friday night, I've had a rather stressful week at work, I must say. So do you know what? Why not? Should we get McDonald's tonight? We were talking about it after all being a good stock option for the long term. Maybe I might try and bolster up their stocks by getting a cheeky McDonald's. The Cranky Stacker said, hello, Future Investments. Great to see you in here, the Cranky Stacker. Love your channel, mate. Keep up the great work. He said, I missed most of this, but hi, everyone. I've got to watch and replay it. Great setup. Thank you, Cranky. Really appreciate that. He's a big, big character in the community. Great videos. Really, really interesting. Different from others as well, so it's great fun to watch. Thanks for joining, Cranky. I appreciate your support, mate. And yeah, I love seeing you in the live chat. 365 said, if Ren's jumping in, that will be cool. So we'll catch up on that tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, he may have been talking about the Stack Collector Stack chat as well. So Stack Collector also may be willing to have you on his live stream. Maybe he's even a better option. So feel free to message either one of us. I'm happy to have you on, or I'm sure the Stack Collector may consider having you on. Get in touch with him if you want. Rentime said, Kate, I will draft one and get the pro permission and stuff. Yeah, good idea, mate. And yeah. Leave Parola said, tight git. What? A McDonald's? Is that tight? I just really like McDonald's. I'd rather have a McDonald's than a curry, I reckon. They call me a tight kid for getting a McDonald's. Love it. What would you recommend then, Lee? Let me know what I should treat us to. The Ritz in London, something like that. Can't believe I've been live streaming for how long? 94 minutes. You guys are amazing. How many likes have we got? 31 likes. £25 in super chat donations. 2 new channel members as well, and I've gifted 5 memberships to my wonderful channel members. Love that. It's been a fantastic night. It really has. Okay, some of the comments in the comment section. Josh said the current price of a quarter ounce Britannia, which is what we've got here, is £432.77 on Tavex. Would you personally buy a quarter ounce Britannia or put the £432.72 all into the S&P 500? Where is the best growth in your opinion? Wow. Well, correct me if I'm wrong, but averagely gold goes up around 9 to 10% a year. When we adjust that for inflation, it goes up around 6 to 7%, the true value yield year on year. But if you look at the S&P 500, it can go up on an average between 10 to 14% a year. And that's pretty guaranteed. It's pretty strong as an investment. So I'd say if you're looking for a greater return, stick it in the S&P 500. It's very safe. It's considered a low risk index fund. It's a long-term investment, but you're going to get great compound interest on that £432. I would say if you're looking to get more growth, if growth is your choice, S&P 500 is for you. But if you're looking to preserve that wealth, then gold is a great option. A quarter ounce gold Britannia is a great option. If you can do both, do both. 1 quarter ounce gold Britannia and £432.77 in the S&P 500, and you're absolutely laughing. But that's one of my favourite questions of the night, Josh. Fantastic question, and yeah, love that. Let me know if that was helpful. Kimchi, McDonald's is the same price as a decent takeaway. Really? No denying that, for sure. The Stack Collector, I've got to jump off now, future mate. I've got to finish uploading my blog for 7 p.m. Absolutely fantastic live tonight, mate. We'll catch up for the rest later, buddy. That's okay, mate. I'm going to be off in 5 minutes anyway. Thank you so much for being a channel moderator in the live chat. You've done a fantastic job tonight, and I can't wait to see you in the Stack chat tomorrow. Have a great evening. Raihan Haider, apologies if I mispronounced your name, said, hey, how much is the big silver coins price? So this will set you back a fair whack. With these 1 kilogram silver Britannias, they're not cheap. They do carry some high premiums, but I'll give you a simple idea. If you're looking to buy one of these in the United Kingdom, it's going to cost you around £958, including VAT. If you buy that from Tavex Bullion with the VAT, sorry, bear with me, it's £958. So it's a lot of money. But, you know, if you're holding it for a long term, it could be a great investment. Lee Pereira, curry. Yeah, maybe I will. I did have a curry the other day, though, so thing is with curry, I sometimes need to have a bit of a break. PS, you have absolutely incredible subscribers. I do. I'm so lucky. I am honestly so lucky to have you guys as subscribers. It really is insane. I've just seen that we've gone from 4,280 subscribers to 4,290. So thank you to everyone who subscribed tonight. The Cranky Stacker, can't afford a Mackie D's anymore. $20 for a Big Mac meal now. Best go for White Castle. $20 for a Big Mac. You're having a laugh, aren't you? I remember when I went to America, I went to Florida, Orlando, in 2012, and I got a McDonald's, and the portion sizes out there are great. They're much bigger than here in the UK. Stephen said, Mackie D's for 2. How romantic. Mrs. Future Investments has a keeper. LOL. Listen, you guys are calling me tight and taking the mick, but she loves McDonald's as much as me. We probably keep our local McDonald's afloat, to be honest with you. Hence why I have to get down the gym all the time. And I haven't been this year, so that's pretty bad. Lee Pirelli said, take it easy, the Stack Collector. Creative Precious Metals, great to see you having a 1 month channel membership. He said, thank you for the membership. You're more than welcome, my friend. I know you was a channel member before. There's so many more benefits now. You get automatic entry and all of the other benefits. So I hope you enjoy the membership more this time than you did last time. I really do. Gary, okay, guys, I'm live for 3 more minutes and then I'm going to be shooting off to let you guys have the rest of your evening. I'll be reading the final few comments. Gary said, welcome, Gary, by the way. He said 1,000 ounce of silver, 100 ounce of gold, and I'm thinking to concentrate more on gold and platinum this year. Also, what do you think of Osmium as an investment, or for that matter, platinum group, all of the platinum group metals? I don't know anything about osmium. I'm probably butchering that, and platinum group metals. I don't know anything about it, so Gary, I can't give you a thought on it because I haven't really looked into any of it. But platinum, I don't hold any. It's still a precious metal. It's extremely expensive. Probably is a good long-term investment, but for me, not for me. Josh said, thank you. Greetings from Northern Ireland. I'm new to gold investing, so I'm thinking of getting a 1/4 ounce Britannia as my first purchase. It's so important to diversify your portfolio, in my opinion. Couldn't have said it better myself. Diversification is key. Gary Wren said, Gary Huffman, that's amazing. That's my dream. Well, Gary's clearly done very well for himself, and you can do it too. You know, hard work, commitment, consistency, and networking, and you'll get there, mate. Keep going. Kimchi, about £9 for a meal here in Kent. A very good kebab here is the same price. Yeah, that's more realistic around here as well. Depends what you're getting, but yeah. Stephen, right, I'm off to count my Uno bars. Love that, Stephen. And I look forward to seeing you in the next live stream, my friend. Thanks for being here. And on that note, it's time to end the live stream. It's been fantastic tonight. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your comment. Are sovereigns, do they have tax in the UK? No, they're capital gains tax exempt. All right, guys, I'm going to be loving you and leaving you. Thank you for all of the subscriptions. Thank you to our new channel members. I can't wait to see you in the exclusive club. Good luck in the draw on the 15th of next month. Thank you for the super chat donations from all 3 of the super chatters. I really appreciate it. I hope to see you in the next live stream. I hope to see you in the Stack Collectors Stack Chat tomorrow. And it's been a pleasure hosting you tonight. Have a fabulous weekend. Stay safe. Happy investing. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you then. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.